In this video, I'll show you how to activate RightFax, and this is for the evaluation license. And if you need to activate your license, say for example you log into your server and all of the services are down for some reason, you'll know if it's license related if you go to the RightFax folder under the start menu, then you go to the product licensing utility. Now when you open it up, it's going to tell you that the RightFax is invalid because the license did expire, and in this case it expired exactly 2 months ago. So I'm going to go ahead and activate another license. So in this case, I'm going to add an email and then also select evaluation license and hit continue. So now that you do that, you just have to fill this up again. I'm just going to put my contact address is mark@gmail.com, for example. Phone number is 416-222-3333, and then you can put decision making title, so admin. I'm going to activate, and it should give you another activation on top of what you already had, and you'll just have to go through the end user license agreement and hit accept. Now you'll see that it is valid for 1 month and it's evaluation license, and you should be good to go. It's really that simple. So all you have to do is start up all the services and hit yes, and it should start up all the services now that you do have a valid license activated on your server. See, now it lets me log in to my account, so I'm going to go log in. What did I put the password as? Okay, it's just a default password. Yep. And then it's just waiting for every service to start up, and there you go, all the services are up and running. So that's a really simple way to activate your server if you have internet connection.